Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Fawwaz Abid Yasin, and you can call me Fawwaz. Today, I'm gonna explain about VLAN. VLAN is a virtual local area network. It's some kind of network model that can use to break a network to be a different part. And VLAN have a flexibility in manage the network and allow the owner of the network to share the network with network ability and some secure requirement. VLAN is placed in a local area network, which is LAN. With with this, there are probably one or more net, VLAN network in LAN network. In this way, we can conclude that we probably have one or more VLAN, and we're gonna make our VLAN. Yeah. As you can see here, I already made some topology, and we have two VLAN, which is the 10 VLAN and 20 VLAN. In 10 VLAN, we have two laptop and same for the 20 VLAN, and we have one switch. So I think we just gonna start with the switch. Yeah. At the first time you open the switch setting, you're gonna see this physical, and there's a config, CLI, and attribute. But we just go on the CLI. At this point, you just press enter. Ah, you can see is there is an arrow right here. Ah, that's mean we're in the user mode. To make our VLAN, we have to get into a global mode, and to get into the global mode, we have to get to a privilege mode. So, user, privilege, then global. To get into the privilege, we have to write the command enable, enter, and it's turned to a hashtag. And we just get write the command to get into a global mode, which is configure terminal. Enter. Yeah. And we want to change the name, which is in this switch we have the default name which switch, and we have to change the name. It's the command is host name host name, and with the switch we want to change the name, which in this case we want to name it switch idem. This way is switch EIDM, and press enter. As you can see here, it's changed, right? Switch IDM. And after that, we're gonna make our villain. And the command is very simple, which is just write villain, and we want to make 10 villain, so villain 10, so villain 10. Enter, and we want to name it as TKJ. So just name TKG. Enter, and we make the other one villain, which is 20 villain with the name RPL. Villain 20 name RPL. And to To see the VLAN that we made, just go, just write the comment which is do show VLAN. Yeah, you can see in here the VLAN is 10, 10 VLAN 10 and 20, 20, and the name is TKJ and RPL. So after that, we have to make this laptop. There's two laptop in the 10 VLAN and these two laptop in the 20 VLAN get into the VLAN. As you can see here, there's nothing in here. So we have to make there is something. And the command is interface fa0 slash, you can see. This FA is from this wire. It's connected to this laptop. In this laptop is FA0 slash 1. So get into that FA interface FA0 slash 1 and switch port mode access and just press enter and then switch port access VLAN, which VLAN you want to this laptop get it. We want to get in this laptop one. I want this laptop to get into the 10 VLAN because it's the it's the topology. Yeah, it's already getting. So we just do the same thing with the one. Oh, by the way, this one is this orange thing is that mean we need to wait for the actual time. For the actual time it's 20 seconds. But in this simulate, we can just fast it for the time, and it's gonna turn to green. So we get next interface fa0 slash 2. As you can see here, fa02 is this one, and we port mode access and we port access VLAN 10. And we're gonna make the second one, which is this two laptop get into the 20 VLAN. First I'm gonna okay, this one is fa0 slash 3 and this one is fa0 slash 4. Interface fa0 slash 3 port. And remember, this switch port is doesn't use the space, so just make a getter switch port fa0 slash I mean switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 20 because we want to this laptop get into the 20 VLAN, and we're doing the same thing. interface FA0/4 switch port uh, access VLAN 20. Eh, mean this one is X mode SWE. Okay, switch. I'm sorry. This one mode access, and then switch port access VLAN 20. Shit. I'm sorry for that. And we can see the if the laptop is already get into the VLAN with this command to show VLAN to show VLAN. Yeah, this port is FR0/1 and FR0/2 is this one. This laptop 2 is already getting, and this FA3 and 4 is already getting too. Yeah, I think that's a setting for the switch, and now we're moved into the laptop. In the laptop, we're in the first you're gonna see this. You just click on the laptop, and there is a same physical config, desktop, programming, and attribute. And you just click on the desktop, and before that, you click on the IP configuration and write the IP. As you can see, this one is the IP 192.168 and 0.10.1. Just wait 192.168.10.1, and this one is automatically for the default gateway and the DNS server. You just make it like this. Don't write anything. And we move to this one. Same IP configuration and write the IP. This one 192.168.10.2, because this one is the second. This one automatically. After that, we just close it and we move to this one. Okay, just write the IP. I think this one is word. This one is 20, remember. And boom. And for this one is 20, but it's 2, but not 22. 192.168.10 I point 20.2. This one automatically and close. So I think it's already done. We just gonna test it. First, this 10 VLAN laptop to the 20 VLAN. It's gonna be filled, and is if you just click on it and you try it forever, it's not gonna success. And for this, it's the same because it's a different villain. But if you ping the same villain, it's going to be success. And it's same for the 20 success too. So I think that's all I can explain about the villain, and we already make our own villain. I hopefully this video will be useful for you guys, and I think that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.